up before you know it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Help get that vehicle to its destination!
If I could get a look at Doom's machine, I could solve this problem by lunchtime.
Sorry, Calamari!
That fucking hurts!
Anyone willing to help? We pushed all the way to
Hurry up.
Bakersfield!
Oh, we've got to get this hunk of junk moving! Last minute miracle. I owe you one. Bombs away!
Namor called in backup. Boy, are they ugly. My good deed. I'll patch you up.
Just another sucker with suckers!
Got one in my
Halfway
sights.
there! Keep going!
We've got an Asgardian weapon to
Those guys
deliver.
are about
Let's
to
get
shoot
those
at
goats
us.
going.
Almost there! Don't turn back now!
And keep your tentacles up the armor follows
You're
it.
welcome.
That's better.
You see that?
Powering up. Rockets, fire!
Idiots! Turn around!
We are undefeatable! Us against the world! Shields up! No worries. I got your
Powering up.
Remind me never to go straight.
Maximum pulse! Nobody can hang with the pulse
double
can.
KO!
We've got an Asgardian weapon to deliver. Let's get those goats going.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
What do I hit next? I'm taking requests.
My anger is
Hey,
Hurry up.
Diddy! Enjoy
Extra
the
shielding.
amplifier!
Yes, please.
my weakness! Exposed! US! Jeep from the ocean's depths! Anyone willing to help? Just another
We gotta
sucker
move this
with suckers.
jalopy along! Legendary!
Not sure how we'll solve this without... Halfway there!
I'm gonna
Keep
find
going!
whoever put me out last time.
My shields are down.
Powering up.
I'm further here!
Bombs away.
My good deed!
Yikes! Too many tentacles! Too many tentacles!
That put a spring in my step.
Almost there! Don't turn back now!
Welcome to Rocket Street Circus!
My armor's got a lock on a bogey.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Another sucker with suckers. We are undefeatable!
Powering up.
Let me guess. Your Namor friends?
Hurt!
Us against the world!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Look out below. I needed that.
I'm further here!
I'm hulking out!
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Fucking hell. Legendary!
Hurry up!
Not sure how we'll solve this without you, Tony.
Let's save that tree, Tippy Toe.
Someone scratch my back.
We are undefeatable!
Maximum pulse!
Shields up!
Okay, who orders the calamari? Hurry up! Remind me not to be scoring, John.
So close! This is your big chance! Keep an eye on this.
I'm hulking out!
Amazing tree! The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 2!
People want to be led, I want to be in charge. Win-win.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong. Hey, cool, doodads, majiggies.
Oh yeah. What's not to love?
I'm a big fan of your cute little bushy tail.
Don't make it weird.
I'm opening a portal.
Fine.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Everything most decidedly does not happen for a reason.
Now! That's
Enemies are
gonna hurt!
From the Okita.
You ready for
That's better.
He stopped them in their tracks.
Anyone say fireworks? Need some repairs? Fast!
Namor's 8 armed pals are officially fish food.
Come on, let me heal you.
Drop on you.
Oh, did you see that?
Your legend ends here, Quill. I've got you covered.
Hurry up!
I'll patch you up.
Rockets, fire!
Thanks so much.
Our enemies are near.
Hard to find good help, isn't it, Namor?
Someone scratch my back. You're welcome.
Keep your tentacles up the armor, fellas.
Stop them. Gotta stop that vehicle.
Hey, Katie! Enjoy the amplifier!
Hurry up!
Your devotion to Namor sealed your fate.
Double KO.
Anyone say fireworks?
That's 3.
That's better.
Take that, you villain.
My good deed
Stop
for
them
the
in
day.
their tracks.
You're ready for it.
Us against the world.
Medics around?
What am I? Invisible?
Green, move! Now, your squirrels.
Walking
Boing, boing! These squids reek of desperation, Namor.
Feeling good again. Powering up. One step closer to saving the world.
Well, at least the gross is
Double KO!
More tentacles than Gargantos himself.
Only 60 seconds left.
You're welcome.
Good medicine.
Guys,
By the eye of...
Everybody ready?
There's still a chance to stop them.
Powering up.
Anyone willing to help?
Down to 30 seconds. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Again.
ready for it? Someone's... Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
I'm under here!
Namor's 8 armed pals are officially fished.
Enemy in front of us.
Powering up.
You're welcome.
That put a spring in my step.
Us against the world! Better stop that vehicle! They made it halfway! Stop them!
Fury!
Everybody ready?
Force burst! The beasts of the deep are no more! Invisible?
There's still a chance to stop them!
Feeling fantastic.
Everybody ready? Powering up.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Shields up! We are undefeatable!
You're welcome.
Oh, crisis averted.
By the eye of Agamotto.
Maximum pulse! Yeah, I hold grudges.
Better stop that vehicle!
Powering up.
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
That's better. Good news. You're free.
I took great pleasure in smiling you down.
Stop them in their tracks! Us against the world!
Powering up. That's better. I got it there. Taking on Star-Lord was satisfying.
Disappear!
I'm back.
Only 60 seconds left. We are undefeatable!
Powering up.
Don't talk bad guys. There they are.
Anyone say fireworks?
We stopped them in their tracks.
My good deed for the day.
Down to 30 seconds.
That's better.
Hold on.
By the eye of Agamotto!
The final 10 seconds. It's now or never. Stop them.
Iron Man, operational again.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Hell
Better
yeah.
stop that vehicle. Don't give them another inch, or else.
Iron Man,
Hey,
operational
D!
again.
Enjoy the amplifier!
Maximum pulse! Nobody can hang with the pulse cannon.
Double KO.